Hello and welcome to our instructional video on reducing rational expressions to their lowest terms. In this video, we will be focusing on the expression x squared plus 14x plus 49 divided by x plus 7. By the end of this video, you will be able to confidently reduce this expression to its simplest form. So, let's get started. Step 1 in solving the problem: reduce the rational expression to lowest terms. X squared plus 14x plus 49 over x plus 7 is to factor the numerator. To begin, let's observe the numerator, x squared plus 14x plus 49. Notice that it is a quadratic expression, which often can be factored into a product of two binomials. In this case, x squared plus 14x plus 49 is a perfect square trinomial. A perfect square trinomial is an expression of the form a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, which can be factored as a plus b squared. Here, a is x and b is 7, because 7 multiplied by 7 equals 49, and 2 times x times 7 equals 14x. Thus, x squared plus 14x plus 49 can be rewritten as x plus 7 squared. So, in this step, we have altered the expression by factoring the numerator and rewriting the rational expression as x plus 7 squared over x plus 7. Step 2 in solving the problem: reduce the rational expression to lowest terms. X squared plus 14x plus 49 over x plus 7 is to simplify the expression. We have already factored the numerator, x plus 7 squared over x plus 7. Here, let us recall a basic property of fractions. When both the numerator and the denominator have a common factor, we can cancel out that common factor to simplify the fraction. In this expression, both the numerator and the denominator have x plus 7 as a common factor. So we can cancel out 1x plus 7 from both the numerator and the denominator, leaving us with x plus 7. Thus, x plus 7 squared over x plus 7 simplifies to just x plus 7. This is the final step, and the rational expression in its simplest form is x plus 7.